prices in the region are now nearly 30% higher than they were 3 years ago. It's Friday, October 14th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Year over year, home prices have risen in virtually all areas. And Arundel County's home price rose 6.3% from last year to $441,000, with days on the market increasing only by 1 day. Baltimore City's home prices rose 7.1% to $225,000 and an additional 3 days on the market. Baltimore County saw an 8.2% increase in home prices to $329,950 and an additional 5 days on the market. Calvert County home prices increased 10.5% to $425,000 and days on the market dropping by 2 days. Carroll County fell 1.1% to $400,375 and 2 days added to the days on the market. Charles County increased 2.5% to $405,000 with 1 day increase in days on the market. Harford County inched up 0.2% to $327,500, adding only 1 day to the market. Howard County saw the fastest price growth of 15.6% and 2 more days on the market. Montgomery County saw 2.9% increase in sales prices to $525,000 and 4 additional days on the market. Prince George's County rose 1.3% to $400,000. Also, days on the market increasing 4 days. St. Mary's County saw a 10.8% increase to $375,000 and an added 4 days on the market. Pending sales in Anne Arundel County fell 38.1% year over year, followed by Carroll County's decline of 24.4%. Fewer pending sales in those areas could be due to the lack of inventory, since those two markets remain inventory constrained. Maryland purchase contracts were only off by 0.8%, but new listings to the market fell 10.2%. For every 100 new listings to the market, 100 went under contract. This is a 9.9% increase over last week. Buyer showings were down 64.7% from this time last year and off again this week by 0.4%. 1,026 homes sold over the past week, with the highest sale in Towson for $4,650,000. Rentals rose to 2,105 at $2,350 per month and on the market for 24 days. If you are considering a move, you should feel confident about buying or selling a home. So give me a call as the expert. I can provide you with the facts, data, and information and then bring context to it for you. Let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for October 14th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be kind.